Alright, so what I'm doing here is I'm trying to get this stud out. I'm going to use a chisel and hammer. I already got it kind of knocked loose, so let's see if it... Yep, nice and easy. So now it's out. But in order to actually get it fully out, we got to take some of the rear parking brake off. So let me do that now. Alright, so what I have here right now, I have the left shoe just dangling here. I took the spring for the adjuster off so I can pry it up a little bit, and I have the nail and spring out so I can get enough room to get the stud back in, so I can do it like so. And I'll just leave that for right now. So what I can do here, put the stud in. I'll take one of the old lug nuts just because it's longer. And what you can do, instead of getting a special tool, just get an adjustable and use this open hole here. Put it over as a spacer, thread on the newer old lug nut. You might have to support it from the back while we do this. This one will go on, thread on. There we go, finally got it. All right, thread it on till we get some resistance. Okay, great. So now that's on there. Get the 19. Get the 19 on there, and let me get a ratchet wrench. So put the wrench on there. Oh, got to loosen. Let's tighten it up. It's getting tight. All right, good. It's getting tight. Okay. All right, let's do the impact for this one. Alright, now it's on in the back. I'll get you a view of that. Take the impact off. Just like that, you can use that little hole there if you don't have a special tool to drive in a new wheel stud. Just like that. You can see the new wheel stud is flush, nice and flat.